Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we visit a beautiful city in Canada, Vancouver. Vancouver is a famous city. It is big, modern, and very close to nature. It's a great place to learn English and have fun. Let's start our trip. Are you ready? First, where is Vancouver? Vancouver is in Canada, a very big country. It is on the west coast of Canada. This is the Pacific Ocean side. The province is called British Columbia, BC. Vancouver is a coastal city. It has many beaches and a big port. Look at the map. To the north, you can see big mountains, and to the west, you have the ocean. This mix of mountains and water makes Vancouver very special. It's also close to the United States. The big city of Seattle, in the USA, is only a short drive away. Vancouver has a mild climate. What does mild mean? It means the winter is not too cold, but it rains a lot. And the summers are warm and sunny. Bring an umbrella and sunglasses. Vancouver has many interesting places. You can be in the city and in nature very quickly. The number one place is Stanley Park. It is a very big park next to downtown. You can rent a bicycle and ride along the seawall. The seawall is a long path by the water. It is about 28 kilometers long. Look at the beautiful totem poles here. They are from the First Nations people of Canada. The views of the mountains, the ocean, and the city are amazing. Another place is Grouse Mountain. It is a mountain very close to the city. You can take a sky ride, a big cable car, to the top. In summer, you can hike, walk up. It is called the Grouse Grind. It is difficult, but fun. In winter, you can ski or snowboard. Let's look at the city neighborhoods. Granville Island. It's a small island you can reach by a little boat, called the Aquabus. It has a famous public market. Here, you can buy fresh food, flowers, and art. It's a great place for lunch and watching people. Gastown. This is the oldest neighborhood in Vancouver. It has beautiful old buildings and cobblestone streets, old stone streets. Don't miss the famous steam clock. Every 15 minutes it makes a sound and steam comes out. Chinatown. Vancouver has one of the largest Chinatowns in North America. You can see special gates, shop for interesting things, and visit the peaceful Dr. Sun Yat-sen Classical Chinese Garden. If you like the water, you can go whale watching. From March to October, you can take a boat and see big whales in the ocean. It is an amazing experience. Vancouver is very multicultural, so you can eat food from all over the world. But here are some local specialities. Because Vancouver is on the ocean, you must try seafood. Fresh salmon is popular. You can try salmon candy. It is smoked salmon with a sweet glaze, sometimes maple syrup. It is delicious. Vancouver also loves Asian food. There are many excellent Japanese restaurants. Especially in Richmond, near Vancouver, you can find the best authentic Chinese food outside of China. Try some dim sum. For a quick, fun meal, try a Japadog. What is a Japadog? It is a hot dog with Japanese toppings, like seaweed or special sauces. It is unique to Vancouver. And don't forget bannock. Bannock is a type of traditional bread from the indigenous people of North America. It can be sweet or savory. Try it. Now, let's learn some fun and surprising facts about Vancouver. Vancouver is a big place for making movies and TV shows. People call it Hollywood North. You can often see filming in the streets. Vancouver is famous for being a very green city. This means they care a lot about the environment. Many people walk, bike, or use public transport. Do you know Greenpeace? It is a famous organization for the environment. It started right here in Vancouver in 1971. The famous California roll sushi? Many people think it was invented in Los Angeles, but actually, it was invented by a Japanese chef in Vancouver. He put the rice on the outside because people did not like to see the seaweed. Vancouver has Canada's longest pool. It is a saltwater pool with ocean water on Kitsilano Beach. It is 137 meters long. That's huge. So, that is Vancouver. What a beautiful and exciting place. Remember, Vancouver is a city where you can see the mountains and the ocean every day, ride your bike in a huge park like Stanley Park, explore old neighborhoods like Gastown, eat delicious seafood and international food. Vancouver is a great place to visit and live. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. Thank you for watching. See you next time for a new adventure. Bye-bye.